Hello, this is Mosh. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will share how you can make $3,000 from downloading 3 applications. All right, and they will be totally free. The best of the best part, you can do it from anywhere on the planet. So even if you are on UK or US or tier 1 countries, you can do it. Even if you are on tier 3 countries, still you can do it. But there is one thing: one application will pay you through crypto, another application will pay you through PayPal, and the third one will pay you from anywhere on the planet. And the third one is the one basically what we use on the regular basis. All the 3 will be 100% free and anyone can do it. Even if you are a complete beginner, you have absolutely zero experience of anything related to making money online, and you will literally be doing nothing to make money. So are you ready for this? If you are excited, please be more excited. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified instantly when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way they will also learn how to make money online and you will become a cool person in front of them as you are helping them make money on. As you are ready, let's begin. The first application is called QME.com. It's QMEE.com. This is how their website looks like. It's super simple. They have multiple ways to pay you money, and one of the ways is so easy that you absolutely don't have to do anything, but you'll still make money. Well, the question might be, how much money are you going to make? Well, we will find out. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Oh, by the way, remember, the third application that I'm going to show you, which is also free, will make you the maximum money. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So the QME.com, go to how it works section. This explains you how you're going to use it and make money. The first thing first, you have to click sign up and then use your email and use your password, and then click on this checkbox and hit the sign up button and you will sign up. Then you will have to download their Chrome extension, which after installation will look like this Q, and this extension will allow you to make money using your browser. So whenever you see on the left hand side this little link, when you click them just for browsing, they pay you 11 cents, 8 cents, 12 cents, 10 cents. Well, cents? Yeah, cent. Not a lot of money, but there are ways that you can make a lot of money. So stay tuned. Well, the question is, why are they paying you money? This is one kind of advertisement. These are advertisements from their client, and they are expecting while browsing you may choose to purchase something from them, which makes total sense. And that is why the payout is so less. So instead of running huge expensive YouTube or Facebook ad, they are running these ads to reach more potential customers, and they're rewarding their customers along the way. And the more you visit, chances are you get to know them, and when you want to purchase, you will purchase through those links. And that is where cashback offers come into play. So we also offer, this is what they say in their website, we also offer cash rewards for searching and shopping online. Simply install the QME app to your browser to start earning while you search on your favorite site and engage with your favorite brand. You can participate in surveys and make money. So instead of just browsing around and making no money, this is where you can make money from basically nothing but downloading the application and browsing as you normally browse. The next application is called Brave. Brave is a browser. Well, when we browse the internet, we see a lot of ads. Happens on Facebook, happens on YouTube, and ads are so boring. Sometimes they're absolutely not even relevant. But you know what? This is the price we pay for free browsing. But Brave took it to the next level. They made browsing more useful and valuable for the users like us and advertisers and creators. So how Brave works is, it's a regular browser application just like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox, but it's normally ad-free. So you browse the internet fast without getting bored and hammered with advertisement. But here comes the awesome. In case you switch on advertisement, you get paid. So yes, we watch advertisements on YouTube and Facebook for free, but here we browse with advertisements like our regular browsing, but we get paid. So how do you get paid? Go to this website, brave.com/brave-reward. They will explain you how you get paid. Then go to default privacy optional reward. Here, go and click the basic attention tokens because this is how they pay you. It's a kind of crypto token. In short, they are not paying you cash, but they are paying you with some valuable token to make it easy. Well, let's keep it that way because you can read more and understand more clearly from their website instead of me telling you in detail. Now, this token is free, this system is free, but you're getting paid in 3 different ways. Go down below and you will see the BAT ad ecosystem. You can earn as a user. As you browse and you see the ad, you get paid. The second one is advertiser. The people who are showing you advertisements, they're getting better return, but that is a different level or a different industry. Basically, they have something to sell, so they're selling and making money, and basically they're making more money. Why? Because the people who are watching the ad, they are more targeted. Let's say if I'm watching ads, it means I want to make money from watching ads, so I am more targeted audience. Hypothetically, advertisers are making better money from running ads through the system. Why? Because the audience are people like me who switch on ads, and I am ready to see the ads because I want to make money. It means I am a better targeted audience. Well, let's go back to the third one, which is here second, but I'm telling third because it is connected to the third application. Creators get paid for making great content. You see, so far the methods I have shown you are not the best ways to make money online, and they will not make you millions. Yes, you will get paid, you will make some good money literally for doing nothing, browsing or switching on ad or watching ads, clicking around, that's it. But can they pay you money, a lot of money this way? Never. It's not possible. But what's possible is when you do what we are doing to actually make 7 figures per year online, and that is we create contents. Now wait, creating content? You were supposed to make thousands of dollars for downloading apps, right? Yes, absolutely. The third app will do the job for you, and that is my application, and it's free for you. Link in the description. You can get access anytime you want. This software is called Epic. It's a cloud-based software. This software allows you to create videos by using link and AI built in this application. You're not going to create videos just like us with cameras and speaking, writing script, doing research. No, you are doing everything free and almost everything done for you. I mean, the system is already in the place. So when you're creating a new video, just give it a name and create. Then on the right side, you can add bite-sized videos, as many as you want. This is one of the bite-sized video. Now, while talking about videos, it might seem, oh my god, making videos is rocket science and I have never made videos. I don't want to be making videos. Don't worry, because this app is taking care of everything. So let's say 10 celebrities is a popular topic. When you click on YouTube, go search for 10 celebrities, you'll find hundreds of topics. 10 celebrities currently rotting in jail, 10 celebrities surprising fans, and all these videos are basically image based. Look at this video, 10 celebrities whose weight loss left them unrecognizable, and this one got 16 million views. And according to socialblade.com, this website makes $488,000 approximately per year and $40,000 per month from Google AdSense alone. I mean, this much money they are making only from the ads running on their video. So how can you make this kind of videos using my application? Super simple. Let's say you found this image and you want to add this image in your video. Just copy the image address and paste it here and do nothing. Add it. Now you want to copy this text, you want to add it here, just add it. Super cool. Now you want to add this text in your video right here. So what you're gonna do is click here, add this text, add a few clicks to it, the text is formatted, and you can add this text. Super cool. Now this text is not yours, so you can't give a voiceover around it. Then do a favor, use the AI text generator and click here, Ctrl V, and let it rewrite using AI. It's not a spinner, it's real artificial intelligence. Now it's written. Now you can add this as a text if you want, or just copy it and go to the audio section and add text to audio. Click here, edit a title, and click webnet submit the voiceover type. Let's add this voiceover and paste this text, the new AI generated text. Click submit. That's it. The voiceover is generated. Let's listen to it.
More. Beating plateaus. 16 weight loss secrets from the star trainer on The Biggest Loser 1 Cameron Diaz when the...
Now, if you want to change it, you can change it. If you just want to keep it this way, just keep it this way. Do as many as you want. Just click add and this voiceover is added to this clip.
More. Beating plateaus. 16 weight loss.
Now your bite-sized video is ready. You want to add more bite-sized videos? You can just click here and add it. You want to save it as a template? You can save it. You can save this whole video or the campaign, and whenever your video is ready, just click here render and your video will be rendered in the background. Whenever the video is ready, you will get an email notification. Download the video or just upload it from here to YouTube. That's it. You don't have to write. You don't have to make any video element. You don't even have to speak. This AI software does everything for you to generate and publish videos on YouTube, TikTok, wherever you want. This is the way we make money. Hundreds of thousands of creators make money, and Brave will pay you in creators program. So join the verified creator network after you are really a creator. Sign up and get rewards, get paid in crypto by Brave. Of course, you will be making much more money with affiliate marketing from AdSense or from any other way you want. Use my other videos, link in the description or on the channel, to learn how to make money in many other methods. So did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. That way your friends and family will also learn how to make money online, and they will love you more, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.